Now we are going to make our links look active whenever we are on a relevant page. So if we go back to the Dreamweaver, and we just simply need to apply this function which we just created. So let's copy the name of the function, go to the index, and go to our first top navigation. And after the our link, within our link, after the closing quote, type opening PHP paragraph, PHP tag, and paste our get select front function, and we simply need to provide the value which will be the ID of this specific page. So just copy and paste this raw rs top nav page ID into this. Very similar thing with the next one. So next navigation is the main navigation. Same thing. I need to copy this function actually. The entire function. And closing PHP tag, and now we need to replace this raw rs top nav with main nav and ID. Okay, same thing with the bottom one. It's just replacing the parameter with the one from the URL. Okay, so if we refresh the page, now if we click on a specific button, you can see that it stays selected. It doesn't apply for some reason to the bottom navigation or the top navigation, simply because we haven't got actually class defined for this. So if we go to generals.css, and if we check our top navigation, header navigation, there we go, you can see we haven't got class for the act class for the act state. So if we you can see that when you mouse hover the top navigation, you can get this green color of the text. So what we need to do is just simply add to the hover state of this navigation. If we copy this and paste it after the comma, after A we typed act, and the same thing again now with the hover. So A act colon hover. If you look at this right now, you can see that it's selected. There we go. That's all fine. Now the same thing with the bottom navigation. Bottom navigation is called, if you have a look at the structure, P A act. Okay, so we simply have to go to general, FT for footer. Okay, if we make it FT A act color, what color we want, let's make it white for the purpose of this tutorial. And also we need to apply hover, act hover state. Hover as well. So if we check now, you can see it becomes white, which isn't the best color really on this for the purpose of this layout. So if we check and we make it the same color as PT, our heading, go back, color. Oh, that's better.